Hello friends, welcome to SS Academy. Today I am going to explain you about exercise 2.3 in the chapter polynomials and factorization, which is in class 9th. So the first problem is here: find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by the following linear polynomials. So here the question is given as, so x plus 1 is, we have to divide with x plus 1. So let me write. So what is given here? So here it is given that x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. So write it first: x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. So it should be divided by x plus 1. So here to solve this problem, we need to follow certain steps. Okay, they are basic and they are very helpful in solving this kind of problems. So here what you need to do is, the first one is step 1. Step 1 is that, so you have to take the first term in the divisor. So here x plus 1 is the divisor and you have to take the first term, and this is what you call dividend. So you have to take the first term in the dividend. So what is the first term here? So first term by first term. The first term in the dividend is x cube and the first term in the divisor x. So you have to divide the first term in the dividend with first term in the divisor. So you know that x can be written as x into x into x, and x, so x gets cancelled and we will get x square. So here in the first step you got x square, that means this is the quotient here. So you have to write x square on the top. And now go to the second step. So here you got x square in the quotient, right? Take that x square, and by using x square, with this x square you have to multiply the divisor. You have to multiply the divisor. So what is the divisor here? X plus 1. So x square into x will become x cube. Since there is plus, I have written plus. X square into 1 will become x square. So what you got? You got x cube plus x square. Now you have to subtract this here. You have to write that this x cube plus x square here. X cube plus x square. So now you need to subtract here. So whenever you going to subtract, you need to change the signs of the signs. So here it is plus x cube, so you have to change it into minus, and plus x square will become minus. So plus x cube minus x cube got cancelled, and here it is 3x square minus x square. 3x square minus x square will become 2x square, right? Now you need to down the 3x plus 3x. Now 2x square plus 3x is acts as dividend here. So again you have to follow the step 1. Step 1. What is step 1 here? You should divide the first term in the dividend with the first term in the divisor. What is the first term in the dividend? 2x square, right? So 2x square by, what is the first term in the divisor? X. So write x. So 2x square will be written as 2 into x by x. So x gets cancelled. 2 into x will be remain. That means 2x. So this is nothing but quotient. This is plus 2x, right? So write plus 2x here. Now second step, you need to multiply the divisor with this 2x. You need to multiply the divisor with this 2x. So 2x into x plus 1. 2x into x will become 2x square. Since there is plus, so write plus. 2x into 1 will become 2x. So how much you got? You got 2x square plus 2x. Just write this 2x square plus 2x here. 2x square plus 2x. So you know that you need to subtract. So minus and plus will become minus. Plus 2x square minus 2x square gets cancelled. Now you got 3x minus 2x. 3x minus 2x will become x. Right, done. So now you need to download, get down this 1. So what is it? Plus 1. So write plus 1. So here again in this case you need to follow these two steps, but it's very simple. Here you got x plus 1 and the divisor is also x plus 1. So you simply write x plus 1 ones are x plus 1. So subtract, plus x will become minus x, plus 1 will become minus 1. So plus x minus x gets cancelled, plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. So the remainder will be 0. So here the question is, they are asking for find the remainder. They are asking for the remainder. So here the remainder is 0. So in this way we solve this kind of problem. So now let us move on to the next problem, right? Second problem is my x minus 1 by 2. So now this time you need to divide with x minus 1 by 2. So we know that we have to follow certain steps, right? Step 1 is divide the first term in the dividend with the first term in the divisor. So x cube by x, you know that it will become x square. So now the second step, so you need to multiply with x square. So here x square, you need to multiply the divisor with x square. So here x square into x will become x cube. Since there is minus, so write minus x square into 1 by 2 will become x square minus x square by 2. So write this part just below the dividend, x cube minus x square by 2. So the third step is subtraction. So need to change the signs. Plus x cube will become minus x cube, minus x square by 2 will become plus x square by 2. So x cube minus x cube gets cancelled and you get, so the third step subtraction should be done here. So what is here? 3x square, and what is here? Plus and x square by 2. So LCM 2, this will become 6x square plus x square, that equal to 7x square by 2. How much you got? 7x. Write this here, 7x square by 2. So here this time you need to down this 3x here, so plus 3x. So first, so now coming to this one, so here what is the first term here? The first term is 7x square by 2. So this should be divided by first term in the divisor. So it will be written like this, 7x into x by, this 2 can be written in the denominator along with x, that means 2 into x. X gets cancelled, so you will get 7x by 2. So this will become quotient. So write, so previously we haven't written x square, now this time you got 7x by 2, so plus 7x by 2. Now the second step, now with this you need to multiply the divisor. 7x by 2 into, what is the divisor here? X minus 1 by 2. So 7x into x, 7x square by 2 minus 7x into 1, 7x, 2 into 2, 4. So we got this much. So write this just below this. So 7x square by 2 minus 7x by 4. So this is time for subtraction. So before subtracting you need to change the signs. Plus 7x square by 2 will become minus, this minus will become plus, these two, this is positive 1, this is negative 1, both gets cancelled. So how much you left? You got 3x here, so write 3x, and here plus 7x by 4, right? So now LCM is 4. 4 into 3x 12x plus 7x, so that will become 19x by 4. So how much you got? This total part will gives you 19x by 4. Now get this one down here, plus 1. Right. Now coming to this part, the first term in this is 19x by 4. This should be divided with the first term in the divisor. So 19x by 4 divided with the first term here. What is first term? X. So it will be written 19x by, this denominator can be written here along with x. That means it will become 4 into x. X gets cancelled, you get 19 by 4. So this is quotient. So you got 19 by 4 as quotient. Now with this 19 by 4, you need to multiply the divisor. What is divisor here? X minus 1 by 2. So 19 by 4 into x will become 19x by 4 minus 19 into 1, 19. 4 into 2 will become 8 minus 19 by 8. So write this part just below it. So 19x by 4 minus 19 by 8 minus 19 by 8. Now this time you need to subtract, right? So you need to change the sign here. This is positive one, so make it negative. This is negative one, change it positive. So this is plus 19x by 4, this is minus 19x by 4, both gets cancelled. So how much you got? You got 1 here, plus how much you got here? 19 by 8. So now you need to simplify this. So this will become 1 plus, third part, 1 plus 19 by 8. So you know that the LCM is 8. 8 into 1 becomes 8. Since there is plus, write plus. There is 19, so write 9. So 19 plus 8 will become 27 by 8. So how much you got? That equals to 27 by 8. What is here? Remainder. So the remainder is 27 by 8. So this is the answer. So in this way we can divide a polynomial with linear polynomial. Okay, in this way we can solve this problem.